This afternoon, we've got mostly cloudy skies. You can see it's looking pretty gray out there as we are starting off our afternoon on this Friday. Temperatures are on their way up very slowly because of the cloud cover, and it's just a little slow to warm up, but the wind is coming in out of the south, and that's going to help us along a little bit more throughout the day today, too. That'll also feed into a chance for some snow showers this afternoon. So let's take a look at those graphics now. We're looking at 21 degrees in Fargo, 17 in Grand Forks. We're at 23 in Detroit Lakes and in Fergus Falls. It's 27 over in Jamestown, and coolest up into the north and east here this afternoon. Wind is coming in out of the south. We're looking at wind speeds now starting to pick up. You can see in Gwinner we're at a 20-mile-per-hour speed at this point in time. So some milder air taking over after what was a pretty chilly morning. A couple of us dipped below the 0-degree mark this morning. The wind does make it feel a little chillier. Our wind chills are down into the single digits. It feels like 5 currently in Grand Forks, 11 in Fargo. So here's your your radar and satellite map. We're looking at some cloud cover over into the Southern Valley and over to the west, and expect to have more cloud cover this afternoon than we did this morning as this next round of potential snow moves in. Right now it's pretty quiet. We're expanding the view, watching out for snow development north of the border. Eventually that's going to slide to the south and east and impact us in the Northern Valley here today. Not much to show you as of right now, though there could be a few flurries out there as we are watching out for the accumulating snow to start developing. So heading into the afternoon, we'll see temperatures continue to rise a little bit, maybe a few more degrees than where we're at now. And then again, we're looking at that chance for some snow first in northeastern North Dakota, and then developing some more, spreading into northwestern Minnesota. Highway 2 probably going to be not necessarily the cutoff, but that's where we'll start to see the better bet for some accumulation here leading up toward Lake of the Woods. Grand Forks, you might see a little bit of light snow coating your roads and sidewalks, and then back down toward Bemidji. This is 7 o'clock tonight. Southern Valley, can't rule out the possibility, but we have lesser chances for that. Heading into the evening hours, you can also see that wind is picking up. We've got some gusts going into the 20s, and so that combined with any falling snow will reduce your visibility for any travel tonight. This moves through pretty quickly, so that limits the amount of accumulation. Still, we could still see some, maybe about 1 inch of snow on the ground, or lesser amounts likely as this continues to move through. This is 10 o'clock again. We're going to see that move out. Things quiet down heading into the overnight hours tonight. Still looking kind of cloudy. Might have a little fog to start tomorrow morning too. And temperatures that aren't as chilly as this morning. Some teens to some 20s to begin the day. Heading into the rest of your Saturday, expect some pretty decent weather. We may see a little bit, again, Northern Valley the focus, right along the border, a little bit of precipitation develop there, but most of us stay on the quieter side. So if you're going to go out to the NDSU tailgate tomorrow, you'll still need to bundle up, but temperatures don't look too bad. Some 20s warming into some low 30s. Travel looks okay. Just watch out for those icy patches on the roads, and temperatures will be rising into the low to some mid 30s across a good portion of the valley for your Saturday, with perhaps a little sun peeking through, but more cloudy than sunny for the day tomorrow. Sunday, a chance for some snow as we head into the especially second half of the day, but can't rule it out during the daytime hours. And then continuing into early Monday, we could get some measurable snow with this one, especially in the Southern Valley, a few inches of snow possible. And then next week, after that moves through, the wind will be a problem for visibility where the snow is falling, and it will also bring in that much colder air. We're looking at an Arctic outbreak hitting us for the first time this season, so be ready for that.
An Arctic outbreak does not sound enjoyable.
Fun. No,
not at all. All right, thank you, Lisa.